got a new delivery from Croatia, from Orqa. This is the fpv1 patch antenna. This is part of the new system that they have, the fpv1 that they're coming out with. They're supposed to be releasing next month. They sent me the FPV patch antenna to test and review. It's supposed to have a 6 decibel gain. And of course it's 5.8 gigahertz FPV. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in the box. I already cut the tape, of course. Always got to make sure there's not a mouse or something that's going to pop out and grab you. And it looks like they sent a little user manual with signal measures and some other measurements. Which is a different style of measuring that I've never seen before, but I will figure that out soon enough. And just got a good about section. That's about it for that. And looks like they sent a whole bunch of stickers. A lot of stickers. Whole stack of stickers. That's freaking awesome. Thanks, guys. And then there is the patch. I kind of like the design of this. It's pretty cool. I don't have a direct input plug on my FPV goggles like you would have on Fat Sharks or somewhat. So I'm going to have to get an extension, which is no big deal. No big deal at all. That's the patch. And let's see if there's anything else in here. I don't think there is. These pieces of foam are always good to have and keep. Nothing else in the box. That's it, guys. That's the unboxing for the Orqa fpv1 patch antenna. We will test it soon and let you guys know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.